Alright guys, well since race season's done, I've got my wife's truck parked on the trailer. Winter's coming. She's been driving her Mustang, so she hasn't really needed her truck, but now that she needs her truck, I've got to get the transmission out and get it fixed. So this is my little setup here for working on it, because it's like 35 degrees outside. So I've got a sheet hanging down on that side, blocking the wind coming from that way. And then I've got the front of the trailer. I've got a sheet up here where I can, hanging down on that side, trying to block as much as I can. And I got that buddy heater and then my little electric heater. And I'm gonna start yanking the transmission out of this thing. So we'll see what's wrong with it when I get it out. Hopefully it's not too bad. Alright, so at this point I have put a new stall in my car. I got a new to me PTC Pro Torque 3800, and this is after I've installed it. I'm taking it out to drive it and see how it does. And the torque converter that was in my car is going to be going in my wife's truck, which I've actually put back together, but I'll make a video on that next. So this is just me taking the car out and testing it after putting the new torque converter in. I got the two-step set at 4,500. Let's see how it does. I put the